Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is our fourth session related to Python, and today also we are going to continue our same topic, that is variable and string manipulation, chapter number 2, and this will be our last session related to chapter 2. Okay, in our next session we are going to start our chapter 3, which is related to data structures. So let me start today's session. Open your Python ideally. If in case you don't know how to open the Python ideally, you can check my previous sessions. You will get the idea how to open this screen. Today, we are going to see how to replace a particular string by using the replace function. Okay. So suppose variable a consists of this string value. And this is the string value. Okay. Now I want to replace. Now I want to replace football with cricket. What we can do? We have to use replace function. So we'll write a dot replace the word which we want to replace, that is football in our case, comma, with cricket. Okay, bracket close, hit enter. Now this is the output. What is the output we are getting? This is Arijit. I want to play cricket. So what we exactly did? We actually changed the actual string, which was I want to play football. I just changed football with cricket. Okay. So here we have replaced football with cricket. Okay. Now, how to split a string using split function. So variable a consists of this string value, right? Now we want to split this string. What we need to do? Just use the split function. So we are going to write variable, that is a dot split, first bracket open and close, hit enter. Hit enter. So see, this is the output. So what basically we did here, we have splitted the string on gap. Now variable a consists of this string. If we want to see what is the length of this string, what we can do? We are going to use len function. Okay, so how we can do that? Suppose I am declaring another variable, length equals to len, then variable a. Okay. So what is the length of this string? The length of this string is 40. Okay, so what we exactly did here, we just stored the length of variable a in another variable which is length. So when we are printing the another variable length, we are getting the output as 40. Otherwise, you can also do like this way: print, then length, then variable a. Both will give you the same result. So these are more or less some of the predefined functions that we have discussed as of now. But apart from that, there are a lot of functions available in Python, and you can study those from online. Okay, so if we summarize the chapter 2, which is variable and string manipulation for us, then what is variable? A variable is a container for a value that can be used to store data of different types, such as numbers, strings, and Boolean values. What do you mean by Boolean values? Boolean values means 0 or 1. So that is a Boolean value. Okay. So variables are declared using an assignment operator followed by the value that is being assigned to it. So that we have already discussed. X is a variable, and what is the value we have assigned? 5. And what is the operator we have used? We have used the operator assignment. Okay. Now, what is a string? A string is a sequence of characters that is enclosed in quotation marks, either single or double. In Python, strings are treated as objects, which means that they have properties and methods that can be used to manipulate them. For example, to create a string variable named message that contains the text hello world, we can use the following code. So this one also we have discussed. We have also discussed that if you want to write the string in next line, then you can use triple quotation marks, right? Okay. Now, once the string variable is created, we can use various methods to manipulate its content. So len we have discussed, upper and lower we have discussed, replace just now we have discussed, speed also we have discussed. Okay. So this is one of the example that how you can use the len function. So that also we have discussed just now. So that is the end of our today's session, which is related to chapter 2, variable and string. In our next session, we are going to discuss our third chapter, that is data structures. Till then, happy learning.